Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. Guys, we are back in Grand Prairie. We are back in our home city. The move to Dawson Creek didn't quite work out, as you guys can probably tell. We're back at our home here in the beautiful city of Grand Prairie, Alberta. We got here a couple of days ago, guys, and we got home to some fantastic news. Before you guys know what the news is, I'm just gonna ask you guys to take a second to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and drop a comment. Now, if you guys have been following our channel before, you guys would have known that my brother and my sister-in-law, these two behind me, has been here for a little while here in the beautiful province of Alberta, and they applied for provincial nomination underneath the Rural Renewal Stream. Now, if you guys don't know what the Rural Renewal Stream is, it's an Alberta-led program that allows employers in rural communities to employ foreign nationals and both persons from inside of Canada. Now, they were fortunate to get a job offer underneath that program, and they applied for provincial nomination, which gives them the opportunity to apply for PR, right? So you guys can probably tell. What going? What going? On a good? On a good? On a good? Alright, I know I share, but they have been approved, guys. They have been approved, guys, and you know what? It's a journey. Now I'm just gonna chat to them a little bit just to find out what the process has been like so far, but most importantly, just to find out how they feel about where they are right now and about getting the approval. Yeah, guys, freshly nominated province of Alberta. First question is, how does it feel?
It feels good.
Yeah?
Yes, it does. Excited.
I don't look excited though. I don't look so flat like say, I'm not happy.
No, we are, but it's like, we've been waiting for this for like 6 months now. And at first it was like very anxious. We were anxious, like the anxiety and thing. And then leading up to, we get some teaser, because they message us for this document.
Yeah.
Then they send another email, and so we have been on the edge.
Okay, so
Okay,
yeah, go on.
Right, so
You're sure.
what I can say, I mean, it is and has been a good feeling. The only aspect of it we never liked was the waiting part. That part was nerve wracking.
But that's the thing with Canadian immigration.
It worked out in the end.
Canadian immigration is all about waiting, and the mental strain that come with it is like unbelievable. So that is where everybody got through.
Yeah, and one other point, as it relates to the waiting period, it's just that you can't even check receipt where the process has reached.
Yeah, you just have to wait.
You just have to wait.
So tell me now, because I also got the email, but when I opened the email, you did already open the email. So when you opened the email and you saw that nomination certificate in the email, how did you feel?
Well, I mean, I was surprised and I was happy. I was anxious. The amount of emotions that I felt in that moment,
Yeah.
it's undescribable.
Gotcha. And Rochelle, what about you? When you get the news, can you get third party news? So when you got the third party news, Rochelle, how did you feel?
First of all, I felt I was happy, but I was expecting to hear some news on that day, because prior to that, we got an email stating that we should submit a specific document before that date or on that date. It was before, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so I was about to message Marvel to find out that if he got an email, right? And then you come check me up.
Yeah.
So when and the thing is, I was waiting for a approval or something.
Yeah.
So when you call now and say, listen, you need to submit a document urgently, come. I'm
You
like,
thought that's something else. I said, what next?
We say, what kind of other document they want? And then when we reach, and you say, a nomination certificate,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it was a difference.
So like the emotions is hard to explain. Once I get an approval, definitely, you understand. But like to talk to me now, about like the process. I know you did most of the process, right? So what was that process like for somebody who's thinking of doing the same thing? Walk me through the steps.
All right. So as it relates to the process, I would say, I mean, once you get a job offer and you get an endorsement letter from the city, you then would apply to the province for a provincial nomination. It's pretty straightforward, 1, 2, 3. The only aspect, as me said earlier, is the waiting period. I mean,
When did you submit it again?
I,
November the 14th, that was my birthday. How could you forget it was submitted on my birthday?
oh, right, November the 14th, almost 6
Yeah, almost 6 months.
Yeah.
So my question now is like, what are you looking forward to the most now? Now that you've gotten your nomination, the next process is obviously to apply for the work permit, which is a walk in the park, by the way. Because once you get the nomination, that's the goal. But what are you looking forward to the most? I am so sorry, guys. I am so sorry for interrupting this video. I know you guys are enjoying it, but I promise you, I'm only going to take a second of your time. If you're watching this video and you like it, please take a second to hit that like button. It really helps us out. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Again, it really helps us out. And drop a comment. When you do these things, it really encourages us not to only do more videos, but it causes the algorithm to push our content a little bit more. So support us by liking the videos, commenting on the videos, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the videos. I know sometimes we can get lost in the enjoyment that we forgot to do these things. So this is just a nice little intermission reminder to let you guys know how important it is and how much we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You can now go back to enjoying this video. Thank you.
the PR.
Yeah?
That's what I'm looking for the most.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, but like, apart from PR though, like in terms of like just being here, what are some of the things that you're looking forward to in terms of like just, are you think, first and foremost, are you guys planning on staying in Grand Prairie?
Definitely. But besides the PR, definitely we want the PR. But I'm looking forward to the work permit the most right now. Like,
Yeah.
I really need to have that in my hand.
Yeah.
Right? And
Sorry. I guess, I mean, as it relates to short-term objective, the work permitted is most important.
Okay.
But ultimately, the long-term objective is, to acquire that PR status.
Definitely. As I said, still, the nomination of the hard part still, But you're saying that you're planning on staying in Grand Prairie.
yeah, man, when I just came here, yeah, I liked it when I just came, but in the winter I was mixed emotions, mixed emotions. But now I think I really, really like it, and I want to stay because I'm a country girl. I prefer here.
Are you calling Grand Prairie country? She birthday out there. Watch you guys.
Somewhat, yes. But I rather here to the big city, right? Because it is convenient. Everything is at your doorstep, I would say, like elsewhere too. But you know that this is a small city.
Yeah.
So to go to the mall is like 10 minutes. To go here and there, everywhere is within 15 minutes reach. And everything is right here.
So
And-
Grand Prairie grows on you.
Yes, and I see the opportunity. Definitely, I see the opportunities.
Yeah, I would second as it relates to the opportunities that are here, because I've never second guessed be there from I have arrived.
Okay. So
And I've seen and I've observed the immense amount of prospects that's here that this town has to offer, and I say, I don't think I'll be going anywhere soon.
guys, I'm not just the only ambassador of Grand Prairie. We have some new ambassadors. So Mayor Clayton, if you're watching this, give me a thumbs up. But anyways, all right. So Grand Prairie. If you should name one thing apart from the opportunity and that like that, what you like most about the city?
Well, I guess the fact that everything is within your reach, like a 15 minutes reach.
Okay.
You can just circle the town in, 30 minutes, 15 to go and 20 and 15 to come back. Yes, so
That is
I like
true.
that.
Would you guys encourage anybody to move here?
Definitely.
Well, yeah. mean, as we stated earlier, there's a lot of opportunities there. So if you are looking to grow and to develop and to become your best self, then this is the place to be.
Okay.
Because as there are so many things you can do to better yourself.
Okay, so let me ask you this, Rochelle. For somebody who has a visitor's visa and they're thinking of, hey, I'm gonna go to Canada, open to get a job offer, either LMIA or a rural renewal stream, what advice should you give to somebody like that?
Ensure that you have the support. So whether it is cash, a lot how should I say it now? Enough money, a lot of cash, or you have some support like family support or something like that, and not just any family support, a good family support. Just ensure and be prepared to return if anything. Don't come say, oh no, it's okay to come and make up your mind, say, you know me, I gonna get that job offer, because you're very determined and sometimes that wins. But just ensure that you have the support.
So is it worth it?
It is. It is.
Is it worth the risk?
Yeah, it's worth it.
So when you were quitting, not quitting, but when you were making the decision to come here to try and find an opportunity, what was going through your mind? Like, what kind of doubts and stuff?
I never second guess it. But I jumped. I did not second guess it. I just pack up my things, resign my job, my good job, and just come here. And we did it. It wasn't even a week. It wasn't even 1 week when you got the job offer.
I would say you would have to be patient and persistent. If you're not patient, you'll become discouraged. Trust me.
Trust me.
Yes, that is true. That is true. And then it's not gonna be all sunshine, all flowers, all sweets, and you're going to go through the motion, because let me tell you, sometimes I'm feeling down, sometimes you feel a bit depressed, sometimes it feels like a lengthy period, sometimes you're going to feel like you want to go back home too.
Yeah.
So you're going to go through the motion, but you must not give up.
Okay.
It's a part of it.
Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Don't give up. That's the thing, guys. So as I said, now drop some congratulations down into the comment section. Of course, you guys been following the journey almost a year now. When we just went to the airport and you guys saw all the thing, and we've been pretty open with you guys, so you guys know exactly what stage. So the nomination is approved, nomination certificate and everything is there. Now onto the work permit, then onto the PR, right? So you guys plan to do this for another family member?
Definitely.
You want to give a shout out to who next in line?
I don't know who the person is.
When the time comes, you will know.
I mean, I don't know who the person is, but if there's somebody who reach out to me, a family member who wants the opportunity, reach out to me, and it's somebody I can work with. If it's somebody I can work with, and I see the potential in them, because you have some people who reach out and they're not serious, or they want it the easy way, because it's no easy way right now.
Yeah.
Understand? So I mean, when you have something extended to you, as the saying say, if you're going somewhere good, bring somebody with you.
That is it.
Right? And pay it forward. Somebody pay to you, pay it forward.
So if you're a family member of Rochelle, guys, just run into the inboxes and just say, me next. You understand? Yeah, definitely. Don't be shy. But I don't know, guys. This is I'd say 99% of the work is done now, because that nomination certificate is goal. And if anybody else who's thinking of coming to Canada on a similar route, I'd say that do your research, definitely, and make sure that you are planning and preparing for any eventuality, because it's not easy. And things are a lot tougher now than it was just a year ago. So make sure that you have all you need to succeed. You understand? Again, guys, drop some congratulations down into the comment section. This is just an update for you guys. As you know how we do it, we try to keep you guys in the loop. Subscribe. Not hard. It's free. That little red, sometime blue, sometime white button right down below. Click on it. Give us a thumbs up.
No, I just want to add one more thing. And being here, I've learned so much, even as doing my hair. Back in Jamaica, I didn't know to do these things. And coming here, you know, I just trying for myself, and you know, it's just something. You're in a new environment. Sometimes you just need to change your environment to grow.
That is it.
You know, or not just to grow, but to get better.
There's a saying for that. You don't know if you can fly if you don't jump. If you don't jump, you will never know if you can fly. Right? You'll be stuck on the balcony wondering what if. So don't live a life of what ifs, right? So they say that failure is better than regret. It's better to fail than to regret. Because if you have regret, it means that you don't know the outcome. But it's better to try and fail than to never try at all. So definitely do it, guys. And again, big up on yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video.